Hello guys, welcome back sa ating new video. Ayan, so pa-landscape yung video natin kasi i-upload ko din to guys sa YouTube. Ayan, so for this video, babasahin ko yung notes na sinulat ng aking mga estudyante. Ayan, tong class na to is second year high school. And mini-meet ko sila ng 5 times a week. And then last day namin, last Friday. So bumili ako ng snack for them and tinanood kami ng movie. Kasi pinaka-last day namin. So babasahin ko guys itong message nila. Ayan, so babasahin ko guys para kahit man mawala yung notes ko, at least may video pa rin ako. Yes, and so watch and listen. Tama ba? Ayan, so sa mga hindi po nakaalam, teacher po ako dito sa Thailand. And nagtuturo po ako dito ng English. Oo. Huwag nyo lang tanongin, basta nagtuturo ko ng English, ganun. Ayan, so tin-translate ko pa talaga ito sa projector na magbigay kayo ng message sa akin ng English. Isulat nyo sa notes kasi binigyan ko sila ito ng isa-isa. Isulat nyo dyan. I-translate nyo na lang para diretsong English yung maisulat nyo. Ayan, so start na natin. Ito, message ni Toy. Ayan, so sasabihin ko rin yung nickname para pag once na napanood ko tong video na to, at least, diba, ma-remember ko sila. Ayan, sabi ni Toy. I feel for fun to have met the teacher. Thank you, Teacher J, for giving me so much knowledge. I love Teacher J very much. If there is a chance, please come back and teach again. Yes. Siguro, hindi na. Kasi lilipat na ako guys ng ibang school. Ayan, ito, the teacher is a teacher who teaches in an easy to understand way and has been a good teacher throughout the past teaching. The best teacher teach from the heart, not from the book. Ayan, ito naman is from Phone, Miss Phone. Ito naman, tahimik siya pero may utak din. Ayan, so moving on tayo kay Kit. Itong estudyante na to is bago lang siya, mga 1 month and a half lang siya. Ito ang sabi niya, I would like to say that English with Professor J, I had to study the most. Ayan, sabi niya. Siguro, mas may inaaral or natututunan sa klasiko. Ayan. Tama ba yung pagka-explain ko? Ito naman, from game. Ayan. Today is the last time we met. Sabi lang niya, itong bata naman to medyo nasa likod, may pagkasutil. Ito naman from my. Sabi niya, I love Teacher J so much. The instructor was very fun to teach. Teacher are cute and funny and have a smile on their faces throughout the class. Ajarn is a very lovely teacher. Yes, kasi nga Google Translate yung ginamit nila. Kaya R yung andon. Moving on, ito naman is from Tonka. Sabi niya, itong Tonka na to, palaging pinagpapalit ko sa nickname na isang estudyante, kaya nagagalit na to sa akin. At sa akin, ako rin niya palagi. Kasi wrong yung nickname na tinatawag ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, I'm glad to study with you and punish me even if I'm not wrong. kasi guys, pag once na nagpaparecite ako ng lahat ng lalaki at saka may 5 or mga 6 na hindi sumusunod, lahat ng lalaki, mapapanish yan. Yes, all for one, one for all. Ayan, next. I feel lucky to have met Master J. At first, I thought that the teacher was very aggressive, but the teacher are very good. I want the teacher to teach us for a long time. Love my teacher very much. There is another opportunity to teach us. I hope so nga makabalik ako dito, pero sabi ko nga lilipat na ako ng school. So another province, new school, new student na naman. Yes, 'di ba? Nakakasad kasi palipat-lipat. Pero okay lang din naman para other province na naman yung mabivisit natin. Moving on, ito is from Arisa. I'm glad I studied with a teacher. She pa talaga ang sinulat. He taught so much fun that even though he punished me if I wasn't doing anything wrong. It was fun. The teacher was very good at being patient with us. Yes. Alam nila yan kasi nga mas maraming lalaki kaysa babae. Oo. Grabe yung mga, alam nyo na, pag mas maraming lalaki kaysa babae. Moving on. Ito namang from Dream. Itong babae na to, tahimik pero may utak. I am happy and joyful every time I study with you. You teach in a fun and easy to understand. Madali lang talaga yung PowerPoint na inaano ko sa kanila. Walang masyadong kaikikan. Very simple lang na madali lang talaga. Next, from Noon. Ito. I really like your teaching and it's so fun to study with you. I want to study with you every day. And may I pass every exam amin. Yes, kasi syempre, hindi lang naman ako yung English teacher nila. May mga Thai English teacher din sila. Sa akin kasi guys, hindi ako nagbibigay ng mga test. Ayan, so parang activity lang, yun na yung magiging points nila if ever. Pero sa mga English Thai teachers, meron silang pa-test or pa-midterm test, mga ganun. Kasi may grade, nagbibigay kasi sila ng grade. Sa akin kasi is wala. Next, ito from Gus. I am very happy to study with you. You are a very good teacher. Study with you. I feel like coming to school every time I have your teaching period every Friday to exercise. But it's fun. I want to study with you every day. Exercise, ayan. Itong exercise kasi na to, pag nakikita kong mas marami ang wala sa mood, especially first meeting namin in the morning, kasi sa Friday guys, kasi dalawang period kami magmi-meet sa Friday. Ayan. Kaya ito ang sabi niya. Diba? Kaya pinagpapa-exercise ko talaga sila. Moving on from noon. Dalawa kasi yung noon sa classroom. Ayan. I am happy to learn many things with you this semester. I hope you will always remember this happy moment. Of course. Thank you, teacher. Ayan, of course naman. Talaga kaya pinagsulat ko sila ng ganito. And then, that's why I'm doing this video. Siyempre. Next. Bye first. Sabi niya. At first, I didn't like you because of the rumors that you were harsh and like to punish. But after studying with you, it was really fun and I really liked it. I really wanted to study this subject and wanted it to be my main subject. Wow, may pabaw pa. Studying with you, it made it much easier for me to remember. Ayan, kasi talaga pag first ko talaga is intimidation. Kaya first talaga kailangang stricto ako, pinaka first, tapos paluwag ng paluwag. Ganun yung ginagawa ko sa lahat ng klase ko. Oo. Kaya very strong talaga yung first day namin. Talagang tatakot talaga sila sa akin. Yes! Takutin ko muna sila ng konti. Tapos paunti-unti. Ganon. Mindset daw, mindset. Next, from June. Ayan. Sabi niya, babae ito, June ang nickname. I'm glad to study with you. Thank you for giving me knowledge. You teach very well. I hope someday I will be able to study with you again. I hope someday nga. Next, Hunter. I'm glad to study with you. Hunter. Mali yung sinulat niyang nickname. Hindi ko alam tong nickname na to, Hunter. Next. From Ati. Ito naman yung bata na, ay nako, medyo magaling tong batang na to, pero sadyang maganyan. And then, sutil. I feel happy to study with you and thank you. Ayan. Next, thank you for coming to teach the class. Very fun, but it would be much more fun if you didn't keep the phone away. Haha. From Bam. Ito yung sanang tiraman na palaging absent, siguro nag-work. Siyempre, yung phone kasi talaga nila, every time na pagpasok nila sa classroom, paglapag ko ng bag ko sa desk, magbibilang na ako ng 10, inilahat ng phone na sa harap. Kasi pag sasabing kong keep your phone, alam talaga yung utak nila nasa phone, ganyan. So parang hindi sila makafocus so kailangan ilayo ko yung phone sa kanila at saka makikinig sila. Next. Thank you for teaching us. At first, I didn't want to play with you, or maybe play it means study with you. Nowadays, I have been studying with you, and I think it is very fun. Sorry for the past. Yes. Ito naman is from Nai. Itong lalaki na to, talagang totoo po yan kasi palagi siyang late sa klase, hindi siya nakikinig. Pero habang tumatagal, nakikita ko yung changes niya, na nagiging good boy na siya. Next. Mr. Pang. Oh, Mr. Pang. Ito yung parang meron siyang ano sa klase. I think there is something like special sa kanya. Kasi nakita ko rin ito sa klase. Ito yung pag every kasi mag-start ng klase namin. May papupuntahin ko isang student sa front, and then sasabi niya, please share respect to teacher. Tapos mag-good morning sila. Pagtapos yung klase, tatawag ulit ako ng isa, please show respect to teacher. And then goodbye and thank you teacher sila. And itong lalaki na to, pag siya ang tatawagin ko, gumaganyan yung, kasi kung may microphone sa classroom, gumaganyan yung microphone, nininervyos siya. Oo, totoo yan. Kaya pag siya ang tatawagin ko, ako na ang hawak ng microphone, tapos sasabihin lang niya na please show respect to teacher. O kasi pag siya talagang gumaganyan, nininervyos ba? Mr. Pang. Ito naman, Mr. Tang, lalaki. My teacher, you teach English very well. I love you, teacher. O, di ba? Ang sweet nila. Parang hindi sutil. Ito from Fluke. Ayan, ito. Sabi niya, I'm not good at learning English, but I want to study with you. Ayan. Kasi syempre, ito kasi, masakit ang ulo. Kasi minsan, inaantok. Kasi minsan yung mga bata, masakit yung ulo ko, pero inaantok lang pala. Kaya chinecheck ko pag talagang masakit yung ulo o nagjo-joke lang o inaantok lang. Oo. Ito naman. From Q. I feel happy to study with you and thank you. Ayan. Itong Q na to, ano talaga siya? Medyo may pagka-high blood itong bata, lalaking ito. Ito naman from Pete. Pete, ito yung pinakamagaling nila sa klase. I'm very glad to meet you. And there's one thing I'm going to tell you. Dried lime are very amazing. Yes. Yung dried lime na sinasabi niya kasi nung last week, pumunta kami ng Kanchanaburi. And then, pumunta kami sa isang pasalubong shop. And then, yung binili ko, hindi ko pala alam na dried lime. Tapos nung kinain ko dito, dried lime pala ito. Tapos kasi hindi ko masyadong makain, dinala ko sa classroom. Siyempre, yung mga bata kasi kinakalkal yung bag ko. Kasi last time may mga candy ako doon. So, kinukuha nila. Pero syempre, sabi ko sa kanila, after ng class, pwede kayong kumuha ng candy. Tapos, everyday na lang na ganun. Tapos, syempre, naubos na yung candy, hindi ako nakakabili. Pero every pasok ko pa rin sa classroom, tinitignan nila yung bag ko kung anong lamang pagkain. Dried lime. Nako, talagang parang lahat sila gusto nilang matikman kasi syempre, parang rare lang yung ganun, dried lime. Kahit sa Pilipinas, hindi ka pa nakatikim siguro ng dried lime. 'Di ba? Moving on from ano. Anak ko, ito, I feel happy to study with you and I'm happy and I thank you. Yung sabi niya. Ito from Cow. Ito pinagpapalit ko sa isang kay Nick. Itong Cow na to. Kasi parang magkamukha kasi sila. Kaya nagagalit sila sa akin kasi mali yung nickname na sinasabi ko sa kanila. Sabi niya, I feel happy to study with you, Teacher J. Next, ito naman kay Gan. Sabi niya, it feels good to study with you, Teacher J. Ayan, next, ito kay Nick. Ito yung kay Cow at saka Nick. Pinagpapalit ko sila ng nickname. Kaya nagagalit silang dalawa sa akin. Sabi niya, it was fun to study with you, Teacher J, and do activities with Teacher J. Moving in, ito naman kay Alex. Ay, parang half-half at atong batang ito. Kasi may pagkaano yung buhok niya, pero hindi masyadong obvious. Ito naman palaging antokin sa klase. Oo, parang inaantok. Sabi ko sa kanya, siguro late palagi itong late natutulog or anong ginagawa. Siguro alam mo naman yung mga bata late natutulog kaya sa class. Especially pag morning, inaantok talaga. Gumaganyan-ganyan talaga. Kaya sabi ko, go and wash your face. Parang every klase na lang ganun. Pero minsan naman, masakit yung ulo niya. Kaya pinapatulog ko na lang siya. Pero hindi every time pinapatulog ko. Siyempre. Next, ang sabi niya, you make me think more of the English language. Siyempre, kasi sa classroom talaga hindi ako nagsasalita ng salita nila. Kailangan talagang English. Kahit gusto nila akong magsalita ng salita nila, sabi ko hindi. English subject ito. Kailangan yung makinig ng mabuti para maintindihan nyo. Moving on, Nampu. Yan, itong lalaki ito, Nampu, Mr. Nampu. It feels good to study study together. It's been great. Ayan. Ito naman kay Mr. Tiger. Ayan, ito yung grabing sutil, pinakasutil sa classroom. I feel happy to study with you and thank you. Sabi niya, ito, Alfar. Ito naman, magaling tong batang ito. Minsan kasi may mga tinatanong siya sa akin na dapat hindi niya tanongin, ay tanong ng tanong. Ito yung hindi ko, yung isa yung ma-remember ko na tinanong niya sa akin. Sabi niya, teacher, anong English ng, hindi, parang, what is, parang another term of sex worker, sabi niya. Itong batang, itong ano-ano ang ginugoogle sa phone at saka tinatanong. Siguro pinag-isipan na niya yun. May mga previous pa siyang tinanong sa akin pero medyo kasi may pagkabastos kaya inignore ko na lang yung mga ganong sinasabi niya. Pero nasa harap siya dati, sabi niya sa akin, parang teacher, what is other term, what is sex worker, parang sabi niya. Pero sinabi ko na lang prostitute, ganun na lang sa kanya para tumahimik. Sabi niya, I like this subject and get bored but also like Teacher J. It's fun, sometimes bored, sometimes fun, sometimes but ask for a lot of snacks for J by Alfar. Yun nga, kasabi ko kasi sa bag ko may mga candy or snacks kaya palagi nilang chinecheck yung bag ko. At saka itong batang ito palagi nilang gusto niyang buksan yung phone ko. May gusto siyang makita kaya palagi niyang kinuha to phone ko tapos ino-open ano bang password ganun. At saka yung phone ko kasi may secret. Pag once na wrong yung password na inano mo, magpipicture at saka mag-send sa email ko. Ayan. Kaya wag nyo nang kukunin tong cellphone ko kasi wrong yung password, makikita ko yung mukha mo sa email. Kay Alfar siya. Ito naman kay Mr. Tang. English is my favorite subject, sabi niya. Ito na kay Mr. Pum. So, tatlo na lang. Sabi niya, it's great. I like studying with you and it makes me like English. Ito lang kay Mr. Puri. Ito sabi niya, it's fun to study with Ajan. It makes me know more about English than ever. Thank you very much. And then, ito yung pinaka-last. I'm glad to study with you and punish me even if I'm not wrong. Ay, nako. Ito na, binasa ko lang guys para ano, if ever man nawala ko tong notes na to, meron pa rin akong video, memories for them. Kaya sabi ko nga sa kanila, magsulat kayo ng message in English para kahit nasa ibang places man ako, ma-remember ko pa din kayo. Di ba? Nakakaiyak. O, nakakaiyak talaga. Pero sabi ko sa kanila, magkikita pa rin naman tayo. Oo. And guys, so thank you very much for watching this video and see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow and share. Bye.